You know, a good desk makes all the difference. Whether you're working from home or setting up a study space, having the right desk keeps you comfortable and productive. This right here is the Claiks Electric Standing Desk, a modern, adjustable, and ergonomic workspace designed to keep up with your day. And let me tell you, it's a real game changer. First off, let's talk size. At 63 inches wide and 24 inches deep, this desk gives you plenty of room to spread out. You can fit a dual monitor setup, your keyboard, mouse, notebooks, even that cup of coffee you can't work without. And with its sleek white finish, it adds a clean, modern touch to any home office. But here's what makes it really special. It moves with you. With just the press of a button, this desk adjusts from 28.3 inches to 46.5 inches. So whether you're sitting low or standing tall, you get the perfect height every time. And the best part? 3 preset buttons let you save your favorite positions. No more fiddling around, just press and go. And let me tell you, it's smooth and quiet. No loud motor, no sudden jerks. Just a steady, effortless adjustment. That means no interruptions, whether you're on a call or deep in focus mode. Now, standing desks aren't just about convenience, they're about better health. Sitting all day? It's tough on your back, your neck, your legs. But with this desk, you can switch things up. Sit when you need to, stand when you want to. It helps improve posture, keeps your energy up, and reduces stiffness. Trust me, your body will thank you. But let's talk strength. A desk needs to be solid. No wobbling, no tipping. And this one? It's built to last. The industrial-grade steel frame makes it rock solid, supporting up to 176 pounds. That's 2 big monitors, a full desktop setup, maybe even a printer or some heavy books. No problem at all. See that? Heavy-duty steel. That means outstanding stability. Even at the highest height, it won't shake or shift, so you can focus on work without worrying about your setup. Now, if you're like me, you don't want to spend hours putting things together. Luckily, this one's easy to assemble. It comes with a detailed manual, a step-by-step video guide, and even the L-shaped tools you need. Plus, the pre-drilled screw holes make sure everything lines up perfectly. No hassle, no confusion, just simple, clear instructions. In no time, you'll have yourself a workspace that feels just right. Whether you're tackling projects, gaming, or just browsing the web, this desk gives you the freedom to work your way. So, if you're looking for a desk that's versatile, sturdy, and designed for comfort, the Claiks Electric Standing Desk is a smart choice. It helps with posture, keeps your workspace organized, and adds a modern touch to any room. Take care of your body, upgrade your office, and make work a little more comfortable. Check it out today. You won't regret it.